Hello guys, welcome again to the channel Plus Toy TV. So today we will look for the toy cars at the lotus farm. Look at all the lotus flowers, they're beautiful. Look at all this farm, they're beautiful. Okay, so we'll look for toy cars here at the lotus farm. So come along with me guys, keep looking for toy cars in the lotus farm. Right guys, look at this. Wow, look at this guys. Wow, all the toy cars on the top of the lotus leaf. Look at this. Wow, this is amazing. Wow guys, look at this. Wow, look at this. Sails on the top of the leaf. Right, that's nice. Wow guys, this is like a emergency ambulance. Okay, and here's the steel car. Wow guys, mini toy cars here. Wow guys, look at this. They're on the lotus leaf. Wow, it's very dirty guys. Wow, wow, look at this. Wow guys, here again. Wow, they almost can dry on the lotus leaf guys. Look at this. Wow. Wow, here again guys. Wow. Wow, that's nice. Lotus leaf. Can try a car on the lotus leaf. Look at this. But all these cars are dirty. Wow, keep looking for. Wow guys, look at this. Wow, the helicopter here on the leaf. Wow, that's nice. Wow, this steel car. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow, steel cars. Wow guys, look at this. Wow guys, it's amazing. On the lotus leaf. Wow, this is amazing guys. Oh, all dirty. Wow, look at this. It's amazing car. Okay, keep looking more guys. Wow, look at this. A motorbike in the blue color. Wow guys, here again. Wow, keep looking more guys. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Wow. Wow, plastic toy cars on the leaf. Police toy car. And here again, police toy car. Wow, that's nice. Wow, beautiful flowers. Wow, nice car. Wow. Alright, thank you. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Wow, all the tea cars here. Wow, look at this guy. Wow, look at this. All dirty. Wow. Wow, this is it's like a water truck. A truck that contains the water. And here's the emergency ambulance. Wow, nice car. Yeah, it's a car in the green color. Okay. A motorbike, green color. Steel cars in here. Steel car. And this is also steel cars and mini car. Here. And like that. Wow, look at the helicopter. Helicopter here. This is a mini car. Motorbike. And steel car. And these two more. Right. Thank you for watching.